Today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine. Okay, I just got out of the shower and I just sprayed some It's a 10 into my hair, and I'm just going to brush my hair really fast. So I use this in the shower. It's the Daily Acne Control Cleanser. I think it's the Target brand of the Clean and Clear version. I feel like this has worked very well for me. So when I get out of the shower, I take my vitamins. So I take 2 vitamins. This one, which is hair, skin, and nails. So 2 of these. Maybe if you've never tried biotin and you have skin issues, maybe try biotin. If you've tried every single face wash on the market, seems to be good. 2 of these. I also take these cranberry. I've been taking these for a really long time. I keep buying more of them. It's vitamin C and it helps support the immune system. I take 2 of these. Then I use my lip balm, Bliss Tex. It is not a balm, it's like a lotion. So now it's time to put some hydration back into my face because I'm like deprived. I use this illuminating toner by The East. I think I got this at Target. It's not a well-known brand, but I've been really liking it. I just spray it on this little makeup towel that's dirty right now, so please ignore that. I just rub out my skin in circular motions. And also, if you guys didn't know, I kind of found this out recently. When you do apply any kind of skincare product, even like makeup, you always push up. You don't want to be pulling down, because if you think about it, that's just stretching your skin out the wrong way. We all want our skin to be up, right? I'm also using the viewfinder as a mirror because you're on my window right now, because I couldn't find a good spot anywhere else. I use this. It is the Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream with Super 7 Complex by Fresh. So I take my finger, dab, dab. I don't really use a lot of this. Like I said, try to massage it up and like circular, like so. Also like putting that on my eyes. Moving on, then this is the most expensive thing I have in my skincare. They sell it at Sephora. I really like the other one, the rose gold one. That one was amazing, but I want to try something different, a part of their beauty oil, so I tried this one. I just go like this. Oh, this is what I use as my makeup primer. As you can see, like, I don't know, it just really awakens the skin. And lastly, to finish off, the holy grail that everyone in the planet uses. If you don't use this, please use it. And now my face is ready to put makeup on. Or not put makeup on, because wearing makeup every day is not good for you. And if you do need to wear it every day, make sure you're taking it off and doing a really good skincare routine to make sure that all that makeup residue is not just staying on your skin. If you could take 2 to 3 days off from wearing makeup, I'm telling you, it really helps your skin. Not wear it 3 days of the week consecutively, and then the rest I could do whatever I wanted. And I really think that helped clear up my skin. And just make sure you're taking it off and really treating your skin well when you're not wearing makeup. So I appreciate you for clicking on this video. Hope everyone has a blessed day.